Hey friends, this is a pressure washer by Sunjoe. Now it has an advertised 2100 PSI max, it's a 13 amp, and it's actually in the budget range. Now the nice thing about this machine is that it won't run the motor unless you're actually pulling the trigger. So let's pull it real quick. As you can hear, the machine fired up again to give you that pressure. All right, let's go ahead and give this a go. As you can see, I've got the 40 nozzle on there. Again, I'm just gonna hold this normally with two hands. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand for the demonstration, and we'll just kick it on by pulling the trigger. As you can see, that's actually doing a great job on this fencing. Now again, we'll have to do some more trials to see what we can do maybe on concrete and those kind of things to clean things up, but great little machine.